I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be.
You want me to put a hat on? Is this how it goes?
No.
No?
Like.
I'm like a dinosaur. Good morning, guys. It is the day of Tanner's party now. Boys were really excited about all the decorations, which we didn't even really go that crazy, but I feel like they really liked the ones that we did, which was awesome. And Tiff's probably gonna do some more today. We definitely are gonna stop at a party store and get some more balloons, at the very least, but not really sure if they'll have any other Sing decorations, and if they do, we'll pick them up. If not a big deal. Boys are hanging out right now, actually sitting really cute together on the couch. Hopefully I can show you that. I just made coffee, making my coffee a different way now. Added a second K-cup and hit the shot button. Wasn't really sure what that did, but it actually gives it like almost more of a cappuccino-y taste, and it's a lot stronger. And then starting, because of Tiffany, to add just a little bit of whipped cream. She's a bad influence. Doing a little folding Carter's matching socks for me.
I found one.
Thanks, buddy. Good job.
Found one.
There you go.
Birthday to you. Happy 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 birthday to you, Dad. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, Mommy and Ella woke up, and they're gonna get this place party ready. First, coffee is imperative,
But what's this?
and the boys are gonna run out. What are we going to do, Carter?
The bagels inside the table and the milk.
That's the plan, hopefully. And we might also have to stop off at a party store. So,
We gotta go for popcorn.
we got a busy morning. It's 8:15. People are coming over at 2.
Yeah.
See how we do. We are finally out of the house. Why is getting out of the house? Seriously, it's like a mixture of herding cattle and like a scavenger hunt. Like, I got Carter out of the house, had to go find Tanner. Got Tanner out of the house, gotta go find Carter. And then had to find juice cups, had to remember a diaper. I don't even think I brought a wipe, but I don't know, we'll make it, right boys? Yeah. Alright, who's excited at his Tanner's party?
Me.
Tan Man, you excited about your party? Yeah?
I'm saying for the cake.
You're excited for the cake, I knew it. You're just like your mother. Tanner, how old are you gonna be?
2.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be 40.
40?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's older than Daddy.
I'm 40.
Way older than Daddy.
And Noah's 1.
Daddy's barely even 30, right?
And
Alright, first stop down. How was breakfast?
good.
Yeah. Why do toddlers have to be so nasty and messy when they eat, especially cream cheese? Tam was digging all up in that cream cheese. That was nasty, wasn't it? Quick stop off at the Family Dollar. Hopefully they have some movie style candy boxes. Let's go see. We definitely hit the jackpot on movie style candy at Family Dollar, right? You were loading up that basket, weren't you? Which one are you excited for?
The party.
The party. Which candy?
The Royal Star Wars, because they're so sour.
The little sours, because they're so sour?
Yeah.
Yeah. breakfast, check. What was next?
Haircut.
No, we did something in between. What did we do in between? Oh, we got gas. Check. Oh, we got the candy. Check. We got haircuts. Check. We are pulling into the store right now, which is giant. We're gonna get some last minute food items, and then we have to also stop and get sangria. I'm not sure how I feel about bringing them in there, or if they're even gonna be open. It's 10:15. Well, we'll see. You guys have been super good boys. You love getting your hair cut too, don't you?
It's taking for a long time.
What's taking for a long time? Yeah, exactly.
Driving every place.
Driving everywhere? Not really. We've been super fast. Also, while we were waiting for the haircut place, Tanner pooped and had to come out to the car and change him. And when we got back to the car, it kind of was like horrible, wasn't it, Carter?
Why?
Smells in here. We gotta get rid of this diaper. It's like some kind of corporal punishment.
Ribbit! Yeah. Turn to ketchup.
It could, yes, that's very smart.
Wow.
Alright, we had a good trip to the grocery store. Only got like 2 or 3 unnecessary items. We got muffins, which I feel like that's like the one thing that I always give in on, because I feel like, I don't know why, I mean, they're really no better than like a cookie, but I feel like maybe they're a little bit more filling, those little packets of muffins. Who picked those? Carter? And we got toothbrushes. We were only supposed to get toothpaste, but Carter saw the electric, what kind of toothbrush?
The button.
The button one, the electric Minion toothbrushes, so I caved on that as well.
And I got, what toothbrush I got?
You got a Minion one.
No, I didn't.
Oh, toothpaste? You got Incredible.
No, what kind toothbrush?
A Minion, I think.
No, I didn't.
I think you did, buddy. Anyway, big debate over what toothbrush Carter got. I think it was Minion, but we'll figure that out.
Show it.
Well, we will when we get home. I also met a junior subscriber in line. He was there with his parents and I think his brother, and he recognized Carter and Tanner, right? And did you say hi to him? The little boy with the Ninja Turtles hat, Carter?
No,
Why not?
I didn't.
Next time you're gonna say hi. Alright, so it's 1:15. I just got back from getting my haircut and picking up the pretzels and the balloons. Balloons were an experience. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and usually when you get balloons, they put them in like a big, plastic bag that holds all the balloons together, but they didn't do that. And I was coming out, and it's windy today, and trying to get them all in the back of Tiffany's car, and they just keep all flying out. And then one of my friends happens to be standing next to me while I'm struggling. He's like, "What you doing?" I'm like, "Oh, damn it." But good timing. Thank you for helping me, Tom. And then picked up Starbucks. And as I was coming out of Starbucks, I accidentally hit the tailgate open part on the key fob. And the tailgate opened, and while I had 3 coffees in my hand, because I got one for Crystal, Tiffany's sister, the balloons started flying out, so I had to run over I grabbed them, I threw them back in. I like fought to get them in one-handed, hit the button, basically closed myself in on it, and then just one balloon was on the outside, but it didn't make it. It flew away. So we now have 24 balloons. I'm gonna go take a quick shower, and then the party time it will be.
Almost party time.
That's a lot of pretzels.
I know. Sissy, hi. The floors do look really bad, but they're just gonna get messed up soon anyway. Happy birthday!
He's a birthday boy.
I love your hair. He's like, and my favorite song. It's like, what is
Look at that bump.
That's all I asked for.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tanner. Happy birthday to you.
That would be perfect. Cut it, okay? And we got cupcakes too.
Take a bite, take a bite, take a bite.
Just put the movie on and the kids found the candy. Party's over. How you feeling?
Like that was a blur, like a
Yeah.
blink.
Definitely a blank. Had a
I
blast.
don't know what just happened.
No. Everybody just left.
It was perfect though.
6:45.
That was our first time ever not cooking everything. We ordered everything out,
Mm-hmm.
including the cake and cupcakes, and it's a game changer. I felt so much less stressed. Usually I cook everything.
We made some waffle fries
yeah,
because
we made waffle fries.
Chick-fil-A doesn't cater those. But we had Chick-fil-A nuggets, we had Philly Pretzel Factory pretzels, we had
Pizza.
and everybody seemed
Popcorn,
really happy.
Candy.
Way
the
happier.
Kids were so cute with the projector. Oh
They
my
were.
gosh. And did you show the I think I showed them the seasonings for the popcorn? That was a hit too. So you had to pick whatever flavor popcorn you want. And then the kids took home the plastic popcorn containers.
Yep. And Tanner loves all of his gifts. He's playing with them
Yana
right
was
now.
fun.
Carter's hopped up on sugar.
Beyond.
That's the only problem with these parties is that our kids really don't eat. Luckily, they did pretty well with breakfast and a little bit with lunch, at least Carter
You okay,
did.
baby?
Tanner actually was housing some
What's up?
dinner.
No.
Speaking of Carter being hopped up on sugar, Tiff had to step away because he was going after some Sour Patch Kids. That is pretty much Carter. First he's sour, then he's sweet. There's
My jam.
Tiff love. I just passed the thing of peanut M&Ms. So yeah,
And we made everyone take home food.
we did. So we are really left with nothing, which is exactly what we wanted. But another birthday down. We had a great weekend. We gotta try and get the house back to normal. The only downfall to a Sunday party is that we have a shorter period to get our house back in order for the week. Work for me tomorrow. Tiff, you got any big plans for tomorrow for the week?
I don't want to talk about it.
What? She's got big things cooking.
Like eating Reese's.
Cleaning video.
I need to do a
Starts
cleaning video.
now.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't
Just kidding. You'll have to wait for that.
New cleaning video. Husband cleans the whole house with me after work.
Naked.
That's only for me.
Just kidding, honey. We're gonna do our best to get the house back in order, and then it is back to real life. Thank you all for watching.
Please don't go to work. Please don't go to work.
I'm not going to work tomorrow.
I wish.
I've been joking with you all this whole time. Just kidding. I do have to go to work. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed Tanner's birthday and everything leading up.
Let's let the birthday
And
boy say goodbye.
now you.
Yay! They want your birthday!
Oh, cutie, you cute heart.
Over and out again. My future needed clarity.